everyone, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum again. Hope you guys are doing well. I am experimenting in my kitchen today. I brought you along with me. In my previous video, I was testing out the Valspar 2000 semi-gloss interior paint because Walmart, my Walmart, is out of paint. Paint shortage of 2021. I just completed a 10-inch round canvas and it is beautiful. I'm waiting to see it dry. I do have some leftover colors. That one was a yellow and white split base. This one, I am going to just do the yellow underneath and just kind of fool around with the colors that I have left, and then we'll get a new color palette for the next video if you guys don't mind. So I had to add some water to this paint, but I think it's at the right consistency to where it's going to go over the edges. So save a little bit. A little bit for the edges. It's moving pretty good, so I think we're gonna be all right. It's not gonna fly off. Does have a little more air bubbles in it than the Walmart brand that I used, so we're just gonna get these bubbles out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the edges here, just to make sure they're covered. Just bear with me a little bit because it's a deep edged little canvas here. I just want to make sure that it's gonna be covered all the way. This is an 8-inch gallery wrapped level 3 artist loft deep edged canvas. I got this at Michael's. Remember how we were talking about with acrylic paint that goes, you know, against how you grew up or was told while you were growing up to when you start coloring, you know, in a coloring book, they tell you to just color inside the lines, you know, and with acrylic pouring or fluid art or paint pouring, whatever you want to call it, abstract art, you just kind of let all the rules go and make your rules as you go. So that's what we're doing today. So I really like the blue, the blues that I had, and I still have some left. So I think we're just going to use them up on this yellow because I really like it. And I think what I want to do is I want to do a couple of blooms across. So Okay, so my camera just decided to shut off. Got a little turquoise color here. It's so thick. We're gonna try it out. Hopefully it comes off my spoon. There we go. I have just a little bit silver left, so. Okay guys, I'm back. Having some difficulties here. My camera's turning off on me. I don't know why. This is the silver I have left. I'm just gonna kinda on there, and I'm trying to make these blooms touch. Hopefully they will. Kind of blow them out real slow. And I've got the Oxide Black Cell Activator that I used in the previous video. And I will put the mix ratio in the description box for you guys. Too much on there, maybe. Okay. Some gloves on. And we'll see how this turns out. And again, like I said, I'm just experimenting with this new paint that I've bought, and hopefully it dries and stays set in place once all the pouring's done. So here we go, guys. Okay guys, that's really pretty. And that's why blue and yellow go together, right? Okay. So now we are going to just kind of modify this a little bit and spin it out. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. We are gonna spin this out a little bit. Do one more thing here. Bring this in a little. Oh, it's so pretty. Don't mess it up anymore. Okay, we're just gonna spin it out. Here we go. Oh, it's pretty. I'm gonna do it one more time so it'll go off the edges a little bit. That should be good. Oh yeah. Well, that's pretty, guys. So pretty. We're going to, like I said, experimenting with new house paint as the base, so, and some leftover paints that we had. We're going to let this dry, and then we will try a new color next time. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and as always, please like, share, subscribe. I would appreciate the follow. And I will see you guys on the dry side. This is beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Hello everybody. I am showing you the dried results. So this is the little 8-inch square. It's really pretty. Testing out the new Valspar 4000. I have a couple of issues with the thickness, but look how pretty that is. So pretty. I think once it's resined, it'll clear all those little hiccups out. It's so pretty. The cells in this one just really did a great job. It's very shimmery. And with the resin, it will be really pretty. Can't wait to do that. Maybe we'll do a video of that little spot right up there in the corner. That'll probably even out once the resin is on, so it'll be cool to see that go away. Look at those cells, though. The cells are amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for all the notifications when I upload new videos and have new content. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Have a great day.